Hey everyone, James with Geek of Tech here, and today I'm going to be demonstrating how you can view your Tesla's Sentry and dash cam footage through your iPhone. So fair warning, not for Android users. I'm sure there are other videos, but for this video, this is specifically for the iPhone on iOS 13. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. So here are some of the things you will need in order to view your footage um, on an iPhone or an iPad. So first, you need your USB stick. Um, Use this USB stick that you use for your Tesla dashcam and Sentry mode. So it should be formatted with the to FAT32 with the Tesla cam folder in it. So make sure all of that is correct, otherwise this will not work. The next thing you will need is this adapter. I got this on Amazon and I will link it in the description below. So it allows you to connect a USB drive to it and also a lightning power source. Um, so I will show you the link on Amazon real quick. That is here, the Hanker USB camera adapter with charging port, USB 3.0. So make sure you get this adapter or any adapter that is similar and compatible with the iPhone or iPad. All right. In addition to that, you will need this application. You will need this cam viewer for Tesla. I say specifically this app because this app works with any USB drive that you connect to your iPhone. So if you come across this application here, do not buy this app. One, it's a little bit more expensive, and two, this app only works with specific USB drives that were made for it. So as you can see at the top of this description, it says this app only works with the following SanDisk USB drives. So that means it will not work with a different brand or a different USB drive or micro SD that you use for your Sentry mode. So make sure you download the cam viewer for Tesla, specifically this one. It's cheaper, it's $5, and I'm gonna show you how this application works. Okay, sorry. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and show you how this works. Um, just a fair warning, for users who are using a USB stick, you will need this optional power source. So make sure you have a lightning cable handy and connected to a power source. If you are using a micro SD card with a micro SD reader, you do not need this power source. It will work alone on this adapter. And you will see why when I connect it later with the app. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and begin. And before I do that, I'm just gonna go ahead and throw out there to any folks who are planning to buy a Tesla or to lease a Tesla, please consider using my referral code. You will get 1,000 miles of free supercharging, and it will also get me 1,000 miles of free supercharging. So please consider, again, if you are planning on buying a Tesla or leasing a Tesla. So without further ado, let's go ahead and begin. We're going to go ahead and open the app. So once you open the app, it will show sample clips and browse for USB drive. I'm going to connect. I'm going to go ahead and let me just go ahead and demonstrate it here real quick. I'm going to take my USB stick and connect it to the adapter. And then the next step is I'm going to launch the app and connect this. So here we go. Let's connect it. And once you connect it without a power source, it's going to say this accessory requires too much power. So in order for this to work, like I said, you need to connect it to a power source. So I'm going to connect the lightning cable to the adapter. And you can see in the top right corner it charges and that message disappears. After that step, you can browse for a USB drive and you will see your USB drive right here. I called mine Tesla Cam 128. So you click that and then you click on the Tesla Cam folder and click Done. Once you do that, you will see two new folders at the bottom, Recent Clips and Sentry Clips. For the purposes of this demonstration, I will go into Sentry Clips and load, let's say, this folder. So here's the user interface. The top half shows the date, the time, and as you scroll, it shows more specifically what part of the time the event took place. And you basically see four camera angles, the front, the left repeater, the rear, and the right repeater. So here at the bottom of the application, you can click play and the video will play. And while you're doing that, you can switch in between cameras and you can pause, you can play, you can speed it up by up to 5 times. And so you see that, pretty neat. And then you can zoom forward or you can go to the next one or go back. So I'm going to go click play. And once the video finishes playing, it's pretty seamless. It basically plays the next video. So that's really cool. And like I said, you can change the angles. And if you want to keep that video, you click on the bottom left corner here. And you can either share the clip, or you can save the clip to your device, you can delete it, or you can cancel and do nothing with it. And that is basically a straightforward demonstration on how to view your Sentry and dash cam clips on the iPhone using an adapter. So I hope you found this video very helpful. Again, please like and subscribe to this channel. I will be making more videos regarding Tesla. I plan to talk a little bit more in depth about Sentry mode, and please do show some support and should support the channel. Again, here's my referral code if you are planning on buying a new Tesla or leasing a new Tesla. Use the referral code, you get 1,000 miles of free supercharger miles. That helps you and that helps me.